Hey everybody, it's your boy George here with Aloha Junkman, you know the name, and your boy Moy back there. You know me, and I always love to show you guys beautiful views of where we at. Today we are actually on the rooftop, and look at what I can see. It's like I tell you guys every day, man. It never stops to amaze me the things that we can see as a junkman. You know, the views, the things that we do, the jobs that we come across with. It's just amazing. So if you have any job, anything that's getting on your way, if you got any rooftop closets, any beautiful views like this, don't hesitate to give us a call. We're more than happy to help and assist. You know the number, 808-940-0809. Shoots.